Hotep, I am the Amen Osiris, the one and only undisputed God of law. We are Deception Stoppers, America's only child support education service, the 4D Destroyers. I am not a lawyer. This is not a law firm. We do not advocate that you don't support your human offspring. We simply advocate that you made them in private. You take care of them in private. And today, I'm going to share something with you. I asked someone if they mind if I shared a particular story. And the reason I'm going to share this story is because of the routine use of the Social Security number. Okay. The Social Security number, as far as child support is concerned, that is where your damage and your injuries come from. And we will prove that here today. All right. So this comes from system number 60-0058, system file name, master files of Social Security number holders and SSN application, Social Security Administration. Now, number holder is you. So this pertains to anyone who is holding a number. All right. Now, down here it says purpose. We use information in this system to assign Social Security numbers and for a number of administrative purposes. Okay. And if you scroll up here, it'll tell you the Department of Health and Human Services, Division of Child Support Enforcement, for locating parents who owe child support. Now, this is what I want you to take notice of. Right here in the purple. All right, let me zoom it in a little bit. Oh, I can't go any further. All right. Thus, oh yeah, I can. Here it is. My bad. Let me see here. So you can see it. Thus, we do not anticipate that the routine use will have any unwarranted adverse effect on the rights of persons about whom we will disclose information. So they're saying right here in their publication that nah, ain't nothing going to happen if we use this number for child support, which is a lie. Okay. Now there is unwarranted and adverse effect on the rights of the people they give this information out about, and here we're going to prove that. And I have all right, and this is the result of the routine usage of a Social Security number by the Social Security Administration, the Federal Office of Child Support Enforcement, and the Child Support Enforcement Agency acting that's operating in that state. All right, and I quote, okay, and I get stories like this all the time, gentlemen, okay, and this is why I go so hard, okay. This is what fuels, what fuels our purpose here. It says, I really need help. I'm going through a motor vehicle injury accident at the moment, and child support is harassing me about not working. I tried explaining my case to them, but they do not care. I have literally lost everything, my house, my car, everything we had for a future, with an exception of room stuff. I even requested a temporary freeze and was ordered to pay $200 a month. I never agreed to any of these past due support orders. I respectfully declined their offers several times, which they continually ignore. I lost everything. I am homeless and in the homeless veterans program. We should be housed Monday. Just got the call from the landlord today that the county finally scheduled an inspection. Okay. Let's see. What did I do with it? Okay. I'm scared. They won't stop until they have me behind bars. Can I fight back? I'm tired of always trying to do the right thing and continuously getting screwed. All the while, my ex lives lavish and travels the world with whichever rich new husband she can find. Okay, is there hope? Because I feel so hopeless that the only way out might be by my own life. Now, this is what pisses me off. I'm just tired of losing when I have done nothing wrong. I served my country for 16 years, not to be made feel like a damn criminal. They have seriously damaged the welfare of my wife and 14-year-old daughter and 11-year-old son who is touching the autism spectrum. Please help, I'm begging. Fellas, okay, when I tell you that I have a problem with these people, this is why. Okay, I'm quite sure, well, hopefully not, but I know that there's more stories like this. Okay, I know it for a fact because I read them every day. There's not a day that goes by I do not get a story like I just read to you. Okay, and what pisses me off, okay, which should be pissing you off, is that everything that the 4D crime family is doing to you, it stems from the social security number. Okay, without that social security number, they could not do. You're not connected to them whatsoever. I'm not telling you to get rid of it. I'm just letting you know what the problem is. Okay, so here you have these people, these criminals, have the tenacity to say in their own publication, thus we do not anticipate that the routine use will have any unwarranted adverse effect on the rights of the persons about whom we will disclose the information. Are you serious? What do you think? Is this is sick? All right, all in the name of money. All right, these people are filthy criminals. Okay? And anybody who defends them is a filthy criminal. And if anybody's going to sit here and tell you you can't go after them when you just saw in their publication that you can, okay? Guess what? You can do whatever you want. It doesn't matter what you do. You've got to do something, okay? You've got to do something. You have to initiate your fight, all right? This can't be denied. It can't be reasoned with. It can't be shown pity or remorse. It's their shit. Well, we didn't think it was going to hurt them. Yeah, okay. But it is. It is. Look, and it's having an adverse effect on your rights, isn't it? All right. The other thing I want to tell you, fellas, is when you're sending out documents, all right, stop sending your documents to these little peons. All right, if you're going to send some documents, you're going to challenge somebody, all right, you got to deal with the boss. See, I'm a boss. I only deal with other bosses. All right. So if you're a boss, you need to be dealing with other bosses. All right. Those little contractors and peons down at the county place, those aren't bosses. All right. You need to stop trying to even engage with them. You need to start engaging with the boss. Right. When you get the boss involved, things change for you. All right. You can go to online, and I just did one the other day. Let me see if I can find it. You can find the boss. All right, look, here we go. All right, we're gonna go here. And this is Virginia Department of Social Services organizational chart. All right. And if you come down here, Deputy Commissioner State Programs, look, Child Support Enforcement, Barbara Lachina. All right. So when you are putting in some documents, and get some answers, and you want to start getting leverage and attacking, this is who you should be sending that to. Her and Scott Leakin of the Federal Office of Child Support Enforcement. Okay. But for these people to sit here and lie and say, well, we didn't know. Yeah, you did know. That's why you're doing it. Okay. Look, proposed routine use. This cracks my head. We do not anticipate that the routine use will have any unwarranted adverse effect on their rights or of persons about whom we will disclose. All right. And again, people, you judge for yourself. Is this not adverse and unwarranted effect on someone's rights? All right. People are out there, look, losing their homes, losing their cars, losing their jobs, right? All because these people want money. They don't care about you, and I don't care about them. We are here to shut them down. Okay? And if anybody out there feels as though, well, you can't shut them down, guess what? You knock yourself out. You feel whatever you want to feel. But I'm telling you right now, the social security number that's the source of your injuries, your losses. Okay, because without it, if they didn't have that number, you wouldn't be suffering like you are. They can't do anything without it. They can't take your money without it. They can't garnish the wages. All right. They can't suspend the driver's license, vehicle registrations, the professional license, take the tax returns. Without it, they can't operate. All right. It is the key piece of information. All right. Key is what? The mention of property indefinite. So that being said, all right, the social security number and what they're doing is having an adverse effect on everybody's life here. This is a terribly sad story, and my brother, we'll we're gonna, we're gonna we'll work something out for you. All right. But the fact of the matter is, this wrong. And if you're tired of going through this, all right, then it's time to get properly educated. It's time to get your 4D technique up. All right. And it's time to start hitting the bosses. I'm the Amin Osiris. You need help? You want to master the 4D technique? Bang my email, 4D_destroyer@yahoo.com. All right. Let's put an end to stories like this. This is our people. We're people. And look at what's going on. Look at what's happening to our people. All right. If you're not, come on, call to action. Get up and do something about it. Okay. Get up and do something about it. Here you get educated. Here you will find the education. Use that education, all right, and take advantage of it and start shutting these people down. All right. Y'all know where to find me. Hotep.